G'day, Steve here. Caught you taking a peek at the wraparound and the pressure care slipper. These are absolutely amazing for people that you want to keep your feet warm at 37 degrees centigrade, so you keep that blood flowing into the feet. But if you've got tender feet or any wounds, rather than trying to push to have to get someone's foot into these boots, these have been designed so that there is no trauma created to a person's foot whatsoever. Look how that opens up. The access to this allows you to drop that foot in there, and then when we do these back up, we do them up to suit the shape of the foot, not the foot having to suit the shape of the boot. This is what's quite amazing about these. They all come with a black rubber sole on the bottom of them, and this pair has like an open toe design so that you can keep a look and a check of the color of the toes, and they also come in a closed toe design boot as well. I know these are going to suit your needs perfectly. You're going to love them. Take care out there.